Welcome to the ProVectus Engineering Solutions, is a leading engineering company based in the Nashik, India. Our mission is to empower industries through our expertise in engineering, providing innovative, reliable, and sustainable solutions.
ProVectus have comprehensive range of services, which includes mechanical design works, special purpose machines design and manufacturing, sheet metal projects, all MS, SS fabrication works, innovative metal furniture, agricultural equipment.
Our success is attributed to our talented and experienced team, from the CEO, Mr. Ganesh Sir, who leads our strategic direction, to Mr. Preetish Sir, the head of manufacturing, and Mr. Prasad Sir, the head of vendor development.
What sets us apart is our commitment to engineering expertise, customized solutions, quality and precision, a customer-centric approach, timely delivery, and comprehensive service range.
For any inquiries, information, or to discuss your specific engineering needs, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for your time and attention. We look forward to the opportunity to serve you.